Our company was founded in the year 1978, firstly with the production of pasta and ravioli machines and complete lines, then with packaging lines. Thanks to a long experience in pasta making, C.I.A. Confezionatrici started with the manufacturing of weighing and packing machines for pasta, also suitable for many other products, food and no food. C.I.A. has an experience of over 35 years in packing machines for pasta and many other products, from the simplest solution to the most complete with a lot of accessories and features. Possibility of customization according to customer needs. Our company has obtained success and statements both in Italian market and foreign markets, selling worldwide. For more information, visit our website, www.ciasrl.it. C.I.A. Italian Packing Machines. Since 1986, we dress your products worldwide.